Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to add effect in your TikTok video. So let's begin. So first of all you need to open your TikTok application, and now you can see this is your profile. And if you want to add effect, what should you do? Just click on plus middle icon and you can take a video at first. After take a video, at the right side there have a option effects. There you can see this is effects, so you can select effects, and there you can see lot of effects is showing here, so you can select any effects from here. I just a smoky effect select. So after that, lot of space you can select this smoky effects, so you can add effects like that, then save it and you can check it. There you can see this is smoky effects. You can use these effects like that, then next, then post it. So guys, in this way you can add effects in your TikTok video very easily. So I hope you can understand, and hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.